Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add a poll in Slack. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Let's begin by navigating to the Slack website and then sign into your account. After Slack opens in your browser, look to the lower left side of your workspace and click on three dots, which is More option. From here, select Tools and you will be on this page. Here, click on Apps. This section allows you to enhance your Slack experience with different integrations, including polls. Next, click on the search bar. In the search bar, type Simple Poll and click on it once it appears. Once it is opened, click on Add it to Slack. Simple Poll is an easy-to-use integration that lets you create polls directly inside your channels. After adding it, navigate to the channel where you want to create your poll, whether it's your general team chat or a project-specific channel. Now, type /poll in the message box and hit Enter. This command will open the Simple Poll window where you can enter your question and list your options. You can create polls for anything, from choosing the next meeting time to planning a team event. Once your question and options are set, click Preview to see how it'll look before sending it to your team. If you're satisfied with the preview, click Create Poll, and that's it. Your poll is live. Wait for your teammates' responses to roll in and use the results to make collaborative decisions. So that is how you can add a poll in Slack. So that's all for this video. Thanks.